Coach went down 2-0 to West Texas. Guys fought hard, got a goal back, had some chances late. Talk about the fight that the guys put up tonight.
Well, I thought the players, we didn't come out of the gate very quick, but I felt as the game evolved in the first half, I thought we played reasonably well, and I thought at halftime we sorted out some things, and the guys came out with after we were down 2-0 with a lot of passion, and not only that, but I thought they played very good soccer, and we created a very good PK, and may have had another one at the discretion of the referee, but I felt even with that not being called, I thought we went after them again and had some crosses and just couldn't finish our chance to tie up the game.
Well, Coach, what are some of the positives that you take away from this game?
Oh, I just think that for a young team, we kind of grow with these experiences, and I think that when we start to prepare for Eastern New Mexico, there's some players I thought that played very well, and just some other guys that I think need a little bit more film work and those kind of things. But we'll solve those problems, and I felt that we made a few steps forward in a very tough place to play. West Texas has always been historically very difficult to play in.
Well, Midwestern State had 10 shots on goal. West Texas A&M had 10 shots on goal. Goalie John Kashik did give up 2 goals, but had 8 saves, a couple brilliant saves. Talk about his play tonight.
Yeah, I think John played very well. I think there's still some things, he's a young keeper as well, and there's some things that he needs to improve on, but came up with some point-blank saves, and those are the kind of saves that we need to keep us in the game, and he did that very well. And I'm looking forward to, again, watching film with him and improving some of his decisions that he's making.
Well, Coach, you got Eastern New Mexico on Sunday, looking to come away with a 1-1 road trip here. Talk about what the Hilltoppers need to do to get the victory.
I just think that we need to come out like we did in the second half, and some of the bright spots in the first half, and just put those together and clean up some of the small mistakes that we're making. But Eastern New Mexico is a very talented team. I think they're ranked 17th in the country, and they had a hard-fought tie, I think, with Incarnate Word today. So we know what we're expecting in Eastern Mexico is an outstanding team, and I feel by the time we get ready to step on the field at 2:30 Eastern New Mexico time, I think we'll have a very good performance.
All right, Coach, thank you.